To access the Source 2 SDK, you first need to have one of these three installed. Once you've installed and launched SteamVR, click on these three lines, go to Workshop and then create/modify an environment. From here we can create an empty add-on, name it and click Launch Tools. When this window opens, you can click on the hammer to get the map editor. To create a map file, click on File and then New. Select this cube and then click and drag to draw a square. Hit enter when you're done. Now select the light bulb and click on the box you made. To run the map, go to File, Build Map, Build again, and then save it somewhere safe. Great job, now you can play your map. For Dota 2, you want to right click the game, go on Properties, DLC, and then tick this box. Now play the game and select Launch Dota 2 Tools. When this pops up, click Create Empty Add-on, give it a name, Create, and then Launch Custom Game Tools. You can open the map editor from here by clicking the hammer icon. To create a map file, go to File and then New. Select the block tool and then click and drag to draw a shape. Let go and hit enter when you're done. Now select the light bulb and place 3 of them on the block. Switch to Select tool and then change this text to say ENT_Dota_game_events. Hit enter when you're done. Click on another entity and change it to ENV_global_light. To build the map, go to File, Build Map, and then click Build. Save the map file if it asks. Congrats, now you can walk around and do nothing.